In this video, we will see grammatical homonyms and more precisely, mon. So when we're talking about homonyms, and in that case it's grammatical homonyms, we're talking about words that will be pronounced exactly the same way, mon, but they will be written differently because they are different things. Mon. C'est mon problème, pas le tien. C'est mon problème, pas le tien. Ils m'ont donné un conseil très utile. Ils m'ont donné un conseil très utile. So in that case here you can see that it's the possessive, c'est mon problème. And in that case here you have the verb donner that is in the passé composé form with the auxiliary avoir. Ils ont donné. And then you have the pronoun here that is before. And so you get, when you combine the two, mon. Exactly the same sound. C'est mon problème, pas le tien. Ils m'ont donné un conseil très utile.